Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Tumbaga Ingots in Windrose. Now currently inside this ancient chest right here contains a Tumbaga Ingot, and from its description it will say that it can be found in ruins. For example, right here on my map, I'm inside a Trial Circle ruins, which is a little bit far into the game because I'm inside the Foothills region. In case you're wondering what the Foothills region is pretty much the next area that you can unlock once you've defeated the local threat right over the coastal jungle. Now thankfully the boss for the coastal jungle is part of the main story, so you won't really miss him out. However, I would like to warn you that Tumbaga Ingots are purely by chance that you can get them. For example, this Tumbaga Ingot right here is pretty much the third batch that I've managed to find inside ruins. Now you don't specifically have to find them in this Trial Circle ruins inside the foothills. Pretty much right here when I started on the map, you can also find it inside these ancient ruins, and also some other islands that are pretty much close to it. As long as you can find an ancient ruin, there is a chance that you can find some of those ingots. Now Tumbaga Ingots are incredibly useful when it comes to ascending your weapons to a higher tier. For example, it will turn my Rapier of 1,000 Cuts over to epic rank if I use the Tumbaga Ingots for ascension. And that's pretty much about it on how to get Tumbaga Ingots in Windrose.